Hi there, this is Owen Hastings, and welcome back to my studio. I am a modern quilter. I love teaching and speaking about all things modern quilts, and I'm very excited I get to return to the Mid-Atlantic Quilt Festival in early 2025. This is happening February 27th through March 2nd at the Hampton Convention Center in Hampton, Virginia. And Mid-Atlantic Quilt Festival is one of the biggest quilt festivals on the Eastern Seaboard, and it's a really fun one. On February 27th, I'll be teaching a class called Inspired by Architecture. It's one of my most popular ones where we take ideas from photographs of architecture to build a modern abstract quilt, including both piecing and quilting. So we'll do that in the class. And then on February 28th, I'll be teaching my Seams Out Quilted Pillow workshop. This is a really fun way to make quilted texture on the surface of a quilt or pillow or whatever you want to make. We'll be making pillows from our workshop results. And you'll be experimenting with including your seam allowances on the front side of your piece to make it more textural. Then on March 1st, I'll be teaching mini mid-mod quilts. This is super fun. We're going to make these tiny little quilt compositions inspired by mid-century modern design. Then we're going to unplug for part of the workshop and do some sashiko inspired hand stitching to embellish them. And you can make separate little coasters if you want, or you can make a small wall piece that's connected up between many small pieces. So these are really fun workshops. I'll be teaching in person at Mid-Atlantic Quilt Festival. The dates again are February 27th through March 2nd, 2025. And you can visit quiltfest.com to sign up, or check the links underneath the comments in this video, and you can link directly to the sign up pages for these workshops. I hope to see you in Hampton, Virginia in early 2025.